Hey Peach, hey bud. So this is a Huey II rotor blade that I'm going to be painting for one of my friends that retired from Bell. It's actually a scrap blade. They built it, and when they tested it, it was actually warped, and it's just not acceptable. So it's actually labeled scrap 434802, non-flight use only, and there's no data tag on it, and it's for the Huey II. But like I said, we got permission to go ahead and use this blade to just paint and to give to my friend that retired. And the front side, I'm not sure what I'm gonna paint on it, but the back side, since it's so nice, I'm just gonna basically just go ahead and clean it up and tape it off and just leave it as it is, just because it looks cool. I like it. So I'm gonna clean the back with the glass cleaner, the sprayway. You can get that at Walmart. It's ammonia free, doesn't have a lot of stuff in it. You don't want something that has a lot of additives in it. You can use some wax and grease remover if you need to, if it's like really dirty, or just what I like to use is just water and ivory soap. And ivory soap doesn't have a lot of stuff in it, so that's like the best thing to use. But yeah, I'm just gonna use the glass cleaner and clean it up, and then tape it off, and then we'll work on the front. I'm gonna clean the whole thing, but the main part, what I really want to clean, is the edges around here, so that make sure that the tape sticks real good. And these blue rags are awesome. You can buy them. I think I bought them from Uline, but you can get them, I think, at like a Walmart and other places. They actually come in they're disposable, and I think this is a microfiber towel. It's got, not sure, I think like 50 in a box. But these are awesome. They're really soft. You can clean it and use it a couple times, and yeah, I like these. And then just go around the edge. And with any fine line tape, you don't want to stretch it, any area, especially when you're doing a curve. If you stretch it, then it's gonna peel up on you. You can use extra pieces to fill in little spots. So there's a little turn or something like this edge. You want to let it relax and then just push it down in there and let it fall where it is. Otherwise, like I said, if you stretch it, then it's not gonna work. It'll work for a little bit, but then it's gonna come up. And these edges, you just put the razor blade actually down where you want it. If you got a sharp blade, just either cut it or just peel it off. That'll work good. That way you're not digging the razor blade into it. So it's kind of a tight corner, So with this, I would probably use the vinyl tape if you really need to be like perfect, but this doesn't need to be perfect. This is just, we're just protecting the back side of it. So you can kind of stretch it and get it to work there. But you can see where it's wanting to peel up already a little bit. So that's why you would use the thinner vinyl for real tight, critical places, but this isn't that critical. This, we're just trying to just protect the backside from overspray, really. I'm gonna press it into that, where the doubler is. Press it in and then go over it. So if you just go over it and then press it in later, it's just gonna peel up. All right. All right, easy. So got a small border laid. So then what I'm gonna do is just come back with some bigger tape and then just tape it off.